Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to cow about Motorola new mid-range smartphone is Moto G6. Before that, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Moto G6 comes with 5.93-inch screen, 12 megapixel camera, Snapdragon 630 with 6 GB of RAM, and 3200 mAh battery. Moto has given G6 aluminum frame with front and back glass. This mobile has splash resistant. When come to display, Moto G6 has IPS LCD touchscreen with resolution of 1080 with 407 pixel per inch. And this mobile has 18:9 ratio screen. This display has Corning Gorilla Glass 3. This mobile has fingerprint at the front bottom. OS. Moto G6 come out of the with Android 8.0, which is Oreo. Chipset. This mobile comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 630 which is octa-core processor of 2.2 GHz. GPU Adreno 508. It has 64 GB of internal storage with come either 4 GB and 6 GB of RAM. And its support micro SD card slot can expand UPTO 256 GB. G6 comes with 3200 mAh battery with turbocharger. Moto G6 has 12 megapixel autofocus camera with dual LED flash, and it has face detection, which can record full HD 1080 at 30 fps. When come to secondary camera, it is 16 megapixel of f2.0 with LED flash. It has front-facing speaker and has two mic, one at bottom and another at the back of the phone. Moto didn't skip 3.5mm jack with this mobile, which is good. This mobile has Bluetooth 5.0, which is good cause most of the phone comes Bluetooth 4.4. Moto has given all sensors like accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. Please subscribe, comment, like and share. Thanks for watching.